So here we are given a question: if vector A is equal to 5i minus j minus 3k and vector B is equal to I plus 3j minus 5k, then show that the vectors A plus B and vector A minus vector B are perpendicular. Now let us solve this problem. So here is our solution. We are given that vector A is 5i minus j minus 3k and vector B is equal to I plus 3j minus 5k. Now first let us calculate what is vector A plus B. So we have vector A plus vector B will be equal to 5i plus, sorry, that will be minus j minus 3k, that is vector A, plus vector B. So we have I plus 3j and minus 5k. So these are the two vectors, and now when we add two vectors we have to add their corresponding components. So we have to add the I components, that means that is the x component. So this will become 5 plus 1 into I, then we'll have plus, then we go and add the x component. So the x component here is minus 1 plus 3, then we add the k component, so that will be minus 3 minus 5 into component k, and therefore this is going to become equal to 6i plus 2j and minus 8k. So this is our vector A plus B. Let us number this as 1. We'll use this for solving the rest of the question. Now let us calculate vector A minus vector B. So this is going to be, now again vector A minus vector B, we have to take the corresponding components. So the x components will be subtracted, so we'll get 5 minus 1 into I, then we'll have minus 1 minus 3 into j, and then we'll have minus 3 plus 5 into vector k. That's how we can write vector k, and that is equal to 4i minus 4j and plus 2k. So that is vector A minus B. So this is my vector A plus B, this is the vector A minus. Now let us see, if we are to show that the two vectors are perpendicular, so if two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. Then their dot product is 0. So we have, let us verify that. So we will take the dot product of these two vectors, vector A plus B, vector A minus B, and what does this come to? So here is vector A plus B, 6i plus 2j minus 8k. This is vector A plus B. Here it is, we took the vector A plus B, we got that value here, and then dot product with A minus B, so that is going to be 4i minus 4j and plus 2k, and therefore this is going to be equal to, now let us find the dot product. So when we are taking the dot product of two vectors, we just multiply their magnitudes of the corresponding components. So we'll have 6 into 4 plus 2 into minus 4, so that is minus 2 into 4 plus minus 8 into 2, and that is equal to 24 minus 8, and that is minus 16, which is equal to 0, and therefore vector A plus vector B is perpendicular to vector A minus. So here is our result, which we can use it for other similar examples. Okay, the result is this: to show that one vector is perpendicular to another vector. Okay, all that you need to do is you need to show that their dot product is 0. This becomes the method to prove that two vectors are perpendicular.